Hi guys, it's Quinn, just Quinn. But Soleil's gonna be here in a second. I have apple cheeks today because today I was Snow White. And today we are having this mystery bag. And I don't know who it is, so let's get rambling. We don't know what it is from either. It's either Superman or Wonder Woman. And it's Wonder Woman. Well,
without a shield.
Yes. Here's a
I think she's really cool and shiny.
Yeah. Have you guys seen the Batman vs. Superman movie yet? Because if you haven't, see it. Because it's a really great movie. And awesome characters. And here's a close-up look at her. Soleil, do you mind throwing this away? We'll just put that off to the side.
More like that's a trash can.
And I just love the way she's made. It's good quality. And the outfit is what?
Nothing. Keep going.
And the outfit is pretty much like the one in the movie. Here's the bottom look for her. Here's the top. And I just love her headpiece right there. And so, Soleil, would you like to tell us something about Wonder Woman that you like?
I like her hair.
Okay. Okay, we're out for today, and tomorrow is my dad's birthday, so
People out. Oh, I missed. I was supposed to go to the camera.
And so, I hope you guys have a good school day tomorrow. But if you don't, have a good weekend.
Do you want to show your Snow White outfit?
Oh. Bye-bye, people.